Hello friends! Carrots are a good source of essential nutrients, including vitamin A, fiber, and minerals, which support healthy growth and development in kids. Carrots contain vitamin A, which helps prevent infections, including respiratory infections, ear infections, and urinary tract infections. Carrots are a good source of essential nutrients, including vitamin A, fiber, and minerals, which support healthy growth and development in kids. Carrots contain antioxidants and other nutrients that help improve cognitive function, memory, and concentration in kids. Carrots are rich in vitamin A, which helps promote healthy skin and hair, reducing the appearance of acne, dry skin, and brittle hair. Carrots are a good source of fiber, vitamins, and minerals, which help provide energy for kids to play, learn, and grow. Carrots contain vitamin A, which plays a crucial role in immune function, helping to protect against infections and diseases. Carrots are rich in vitamin A, which is essential for healthy vision, preventing night blindness, and reducing the risk of age-related macular degeneration.